Hi, I'm back, and welcome to room 301. Let's go in. This is my room tour. This is my room. This is our room right here. It has a star on it because I'm a star. As we walk in, we have a walk-in closet with a Fresh Market bag because I am fresh. Here's my favorite part, the mirror. And then we've got more mirrors and more mirrors and more mirrors. How could you not love this sight? And here we have the restroom complete with a light and a fan to get rid of the peasant smell. Moving on, we also continue in here. We have a dining room table. We have an ancient artifact. We have a full kitchen stocked to the brim with knives. Anyway, we keep going in here and we have trash. Complete and utter trash. Peasants, 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 peasant. Ooh, that's actually kind of nice. Filth. Not to mention we have this great artwork. I don't think it was painted by Bob Ross, so it's not the best, but, you know, it'll do. We also have an "Oh Come to the Altar" Elevation Worship shirt. They gave it to me personally. This hair is from them. And as we continue over here, we have lots of drawers. They all belong to me. We've got a couch, we've got a chair, we have more ancient artifacts, and we have the ocean, which also belongs to me. I mean, just look at it. Thank you all for joining me for another successful room tour. And for all the haters who thought I was dead, just look at me now. I'm living my best life. Try to enjoy your miserable lives, peasants.